These coastal paths at dawn, where the wind carries salt and memory. My feet know these stones by heart, though I cannot name what calls me here. There's something in the tide's return that speaks without words, a language older than my bones that only silence knows. The lighthouse keeper's daughter used to gather shells along this shore. Now only ghosts remember her footsteps in the sand, the tiny rose. I feel a presence in the mist, though decades have passed between us. The ocean keeps its promises, even when we forget our own. There's something in the tide's return that speaks without words, a language older than my bones that only silence knows. My grandmother's hands were weathered like the driftwood I collect. She never spoke of what she lost, but the sea remembers everything. Built small cairns on the headland, each stone a quiet prayer for those who sail beyond the horizon, those who wait for their return. There's something in the tide's return